Children, today in this video we are going to see how to insert array elements in such a way that they are already in sorted order. So first of all, let us understand what is the question all about. So the question tells, suppose we entered 12 the very first time, and after that suppose we entered 15, so 15 will come after this 12. But next time suppose we are inputting 9, so 9 will come ahead of 12. And after that suppose we are giving minus 1, so minus 1 will come ahead of 9. And suppose we input 11, so 11 will come between 9 and 12. This is what the question is. So here in this program, what I have done, I have taken a class which is already sorted, and there is a function insert we will be using here. And here one array I have defined, the size I have taken, I have entered the size, the array is initialized, the object of the class is created, and now I am filling the array. So children, while I am filling the array, first of all I have to check if I is 0 or not. So if I is 0, it simply means that I am just going to enter the first element. Enter first element, and that is a of I is new scanner system.in.next int. So straight away the element will go at 0 index number. So here we can specify 0, no issues. But if I is not 0, then what will happen? If I is not 0, we need to enter the next element, and that is element which is new scanner system.in.next int. And here what we need to do is just we need to call that function insert, passing this array, passing this element, and the index number at which we have to insert. And here after we have insert, we need to invoke the function print the array, actually its current status. So the current array is, and here we need to start a loop that will go from k, and it will go up to I and k plus plus. And here simply we need to print a of k, and after that I need to change this line. So let us see how to proceed. Suppose the size of the array is 5 and the first element I have entered 10. Now it is asking me to input the next element. So I need to complete the method there. Suppose I have taken this 7, but 7 is not being inserted because the method body is incomplete. So let us complete the method body first. So first of all we have to see what is the current status of the array. Children, suppose the size of the array is 5 and the first element is 12, and it is at index number 0, and the next element when we call this function is 9, and suppose the value of I is 1, it means that at one index number we are supposed to fill this, but we have to see that what is the status of the array, and we have to search the index number at which this 9 will go. So what we will do, we need to find out at what index number we have already filled this array. So this is at index number I minus 1. So suppose I was 1, so at up to k index number we have already filled. So here it is showing that up to 0 index number we have already filled. And now we need to start a loop that will go up to 0. And here if a of k is more than element, then a of k plus 1 will receive the element, will receive a of k. So here this is 9 and you can see that this 12 is more than 9. So 12 will get shifted towards its right. So a of k plus 1, at present k is 0, so a of k plus 1 means 1. A of 1 will receive a of 0. So this 12 will come at this index number and which is 1. And it simply means after shifting this place will become vacant. So here, and after shifting this k becomes minus 1. And if this condition is false, then immediately we need to terminate this. And when this loop terminates, we need to just write a k plus 1 will receive this element. This is the position at which the element will go. So children, let us see this. And suppose the first element was 12 and it is at 0 index number, and the second element is 9, and at 1 index number we are supposed to insert, and since 12 is more than 9, so 9, this 12 will get shifted. So 12 we have shifted and it came at index number 1. So first time, since this condition was true, so this break will not execute. K becomes minus 1. Here k was 0 and k becomes minus 1. So this loop will terminate. And minus 1 plus element, so a of 0 will receive 9. So it simply means at index number 0, 9 will come. This is the order of the element which is coming now. And suppose the next element is 5. If the next element is 5 and we are supposed to insert the element at index number 2, so what will happen? We will compare this 5 with this. So if it is 5, I will be 2, and up to which index number we have already filled? Up to 1 index number we have already filled. You can see 0 and 1, and 5 we are supposed to input now. So while this k is greater than or equals to 0, okay, this a of 1 which is 12 is more than 5, you can see. So it is true. So what will happen? This element will get shifted. It will come at index number 2. This break will not execute because it belongs to the else part. This k becomes minus 1. So k becomes 2 minus 1, which is 1. As k was 1 here, k becomes 0. So now a of k is representing this 9. And if we compare this 9 with 5, so this 9 is again larger than 5. So 9 will again get shifted towards its right. So what will happen? 9 will shift here and this place will become vacant. This else path will not execute. K becomes minus 1. So this condition becomes false. This loop terminates and minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. So A of 0 will receive 5. Now you see that the order of the elements in the array has changed. And now suppose the next element which you want to input is 11. And you are supposed to input this element at index number 3. And when you are supposed to insert the element at index number 3, okay. So what happens if 11 is here? So this 12 will get compared with this 11, and at k index number, up to k index number we have already filled, which is 2. So 12 is more than 11, so 12 will get shifted, and k becomes 1. So now a of k is representing this element, and now if you see that if you compare this 9 with this 12, you will realize that this condition is false. So this break will happen and this loop will terminate. So at this point the value of k is 1, so 1 plus 1, which is 2. So a of 2 will receive the element. It means that 11 will come at this index number. And now the sequence you can see, which is 5, 9, 11, 12. So this is how we are inserting the element in sorted order. So I hope you have got this concept, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for